Alright, hey everybody. So today's activity is going to be a word assignment, line and paragraph spacing, one pager. So instead of editing a document that's already created, you're going to actually create another one pager like we did the first couple times for the word assignments. Except for today's going to be a little bit different. So you're going to have your steps right here, 1 through 6. You're going to have your title, your vocab, a picture that you're going to insert, some questions to answer as you can see A and B. You're going to have a summary. And then at the very end, you got to make the document legal page size. All right. With all that being said, same one-pager format, but some new stuff is going to come into effect. So for your title, which is going to be line and paragraph spacing, that title must have a red 5-point glow accent color 2 text effect. So hopefully we're able to get to this point by now. We've done it 3 or 4 times. Next, your vocabulary. You have line spacing, paragraph spacing, single spacing, and double spacing. I want these vocab words to be defined in the vocabulary section. Then you have a picture that you're going to insert. It is your choice as long as it's school appropriate. The picture must have effect as well as a border. Again, you can pick any picture effect and any border. It's up to you. Then you have to answer the 2 questions. What does it mean to use the exactly, at least, and multiple option when adjusting the line spacing? Describe the default paragraph spacing that occurs when you press the Enter key. And then finally, summarize the lesson using a complete paragraph. A minimum of 5 sentences is required. So this is kind of more tasks to be done with your one-pager versus it just being simply submitted. No font effects, no paragraph changing. We're going to actually do some stuff to it. So again, the link's going to be right here in Edmodo for you. Here's your GCF Learn. You have looks like 2 pages to read through because the third one's always the activity. So we're not going to do that challenge. So you have 2 pages to read through. As always, please watch this video over here to the right about line spacing. It talks to you about everything, summary, to format line spacing, fine-tuning line spacing. Here is exactly where it talks about exactly, at least, multiple. So those are some answers right there for your definitions. It talks to you about going into the paragraph chisel, which most of you have already seen by now. Next, paragraph spacing, to format paragraph spacing, etc., etc. So again, it's your job to go through here, read the 2 pages, and finish the one-pager completely. Obviously, when you go to Microsoft Word, you're going to open up a new document. Automatically save it as paragraph and line spacing. Put your name at the top. Then you're going to go ahead, insert the title. Now I'm just going to show you. You highlight it. Here's your text effects. Little blue glowing icon. Now you got to find the right area for the text effect. Again, I gave you the specific name in Edmodo, which was a red 5-point glow accent color 2 text effect. Again, that's the name of the text effect. You have to go in there and do some digging and find it. Again, if you simply hover over the text effects, it tells you the name of them. Hover over, name, hover over, name. You got to find the right one. You have outline, you have shadow, reflection, glow, number styles, ligatures, and stylistic sets. So you got to find the right text effect you think will work for this assignment. Vocab, simply define line spacing, paragraph spacing, single spacing, double spacing. Picture, you can put in any picture that you would want to. So let's say I'm back over here. Here's after my vocab. And my picture. Again, when you want to insert a picture, you simply go to Insert, Pictures. Maybe you can find one on your desktop that you already saved from the internet. Let's see if I have anything on here. Looks like I don't. What about my computer? Nothing there. Nothing. Those are all pictures of teachers. Let's see. No pictures. Well, let's go on the internet and get one real quick. Alright, so I'm going to put Goku, of course. Images, take this one. If you ever want to save an image, you simply right click, go down to save image as. You can name it, put it somewhere where you can get it. I suggest in your student H drive, because you can save as much stuff as you want to in there. I'm going to save it to my desktop. Go back to my Word document. Go to Insert, Picture. Click on my desktop. It should be there now. Yep, there it sure is. Now there is the Goku. So you can edit it, as you can see, make it bigger, smaller by dragging the box. If you want it to be underneath it, I believe what we got to do is hit enter. There you go. So now it went underneath it. Again, all I did was click by the picture icon right here, if you can see it. Excuse me. Right there. I hit enter, and the picture dropped below the word picture. Now, once I click on it, the format tools comes up over here in the top right. So I click on the format tools, and now it starts talking about different things I can do. There's the borders, there's a picture effects, and there's a picture layout. I told you you had to add a picture border of whatever you choose to add. Maybe you want a yellow one. You can make the weight different.
Mr. Rivera, please report to the meeting.
Sorry about that. And then you're going to add a picture effect. So again, you can change. There's tons of different picture effects to do. Now you can't really see anything going on right here. Or there's a reflection. See Goku coming up. For picture effects, you're going to click on this. You can pick really any picture effect you want. You go to 3D rotation. As you can see, it's changing around. Soft edges. Again, it's up to you. Play with it. So you have to have a picture effect and a picture border. Here's your picture styles. Kind of like the default settings. Kind of like your font styles. A few of them. Same kind of thing in the format, just a different layout that they give you. So you're going to go ahead and do that. The rest of it's pretty self-explanatory. Answer the questions and have a summary. Make sure the document's legal page size. Again, if you forgot how to do that, go to File, or go to Home, I'm sorry, and let's find, Page Layout, Size, and then right there is legal. So it changes the page size for you. Again, size and legal. You don't really see a big difference, but it's actually longer, you just don't see it. Let me know if you have any questions. You should be able to do this one pager by now, no problem. Have a good day and good luck.